Hey, what's up guys, it's Tucker here, and today I'm going to be showing you something really cool. Have you ever wanted to generate text on a wide range of topics, translate languages, summarize long pieces of text, or create content easily? Well, today I'm going to be introducing you to Chat GPT, a large model developed by OpenAI that will do just that. So what exactly is Chat GPT? It's a neural network model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text, making it able to understand and generate a wide range of language patterns and structure. So how does Chat GPT work? In simple terms, Chat GPT is like having a really smart friend who can write you an essay, script, or research paper in a matter of minutes. It's based on the transformer architecture, which allows it to process sequential data, making it a powerful tool for a variety of tasks. But before we dive into how to use it, let's have some fun. Who doesn't like a good horror story? So I'm going to show you how to make one. Writing this horror story will be rather easy using ChatGPT. All you have to do is type in what you want the horror movie to be about, giving specific instructions, and then it will generate one for you. You're probably thinking, how do I use this magical tool? Well, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. I'll show you some basic commands you need to know to get started. Number 1, text generation. We can use ChatGPT to summarize long pieces of text into shorter and more manageable chunks. Content creation. We can use ChatGPT to help us with creating content like writing a script or blog post or research paper. To get the best results on ChatGPT, there's a few tips and tricks you should keep in mind. 1. Be specific with your prompts. The more specific you are, the more accurate and relevant your output will be. 2. Experiment with different settings. You can tweak settings like temperature to control the level of creativity and variation in your outputs. 3. Use context. You can create context to guide the output and make it more relevant to your task. And that's it! With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more ChatGPT videos or other AI related topics. Also, let me know in the comments what you want my next video to be on.